Hello, and welcome all to your weekly assembly. Last week's theme was all about resilience, and to build on that, I'd like to start this week by asking you a question. You can write these down or think of them in your head, but I'd like you to name 3 things this week you are grateful for. Take a few moments to consider these carefully. I will give you mine. First, my family. Second, my dogs. And thirdly, exercise. When I think of these, it makes me happy and grateful, and certainly more positive. As we enter our 3rd week of lockdown, it may feel as though things are really tough. However, I'd like you to read the poem on the screen. This time I'll read along with you. In the time of a pandemic, Kitty O'Meara. And the people stayed at home. And they read books, and listened, and rested, and exercised, and made art, and played games, and learned new ways of being, and were still. And they listened more deeply. Some meditated, some prayed, some danced. Some met their shadows, and the people began to talk differently. And the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed, and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses, and made new choices, and dreamed new images, and created new ways to live and heal the earth fully, as they had been healed. Consider how this poem made you feel. I particularly love the journey it takes you on. And then in the middle, the turning point really makes you feel like there are lots of positives to come from our current circumstance. For all of you listening, there is lots to be positive about. The poem reminds us of all the ways we can occupy ourselves and turn this lockdown into something really positive. Use this time to reflect on the possibility of a new beginning and the potential that has. Finally, the last picture on your screen is one that always makes me smile. It's of police officers in Spain during the first lockdown last year, singing to all the families in the houses. Stay safe, everybody, and stay positive.
Hello everybody and welcome to the 3rd Commitments Lockdown Challenge, and what we'd like you to do this time is to find out who inspires you. So what we'd like you to do is to produce a poster or PowerPoint presentation on somebody who inspires you. Now, as it says, this can be a celebrity, a family member, or somebody indeed that you know. Well, it's entirely up to you who you choose. I'd like to sort of include what qualities they have, what's been their lifelong journey. Did they have any struggles when they were younger? How did they overcome them? What are they doing now? Have they influenced people? Do you want to be like them in the future? So produce that PowerPoint presentation or that poster, and once again send that in to challenge@beaconhillacademy.org.uk. I look forward to seeing who those people are that inspire you and want to make you better yourselves.
Hi to all Year 11, and I hope this message finds you all safe and well. Well done to everybody that continues to show great resilience and are really committing to their online learning. It is a time now that some may be feeling low or confused about what could happen next. I urge you not to worry and understand that you're not alone in feeling this way. It is a time to be grateful for what you have, but don't sit in silence. Keep talking to friends and family. Consider if you spend a lot of time on social media, practice staying off it for an hour or so, and choose something different to read. You might just learn something new. There are some amazing articles online at Kooth.com, and there's a reminder of how to find that on the page now. Keep thinking about that routine to get into that will certainly help make you stay positive and get the most out of your days. Don't forget, at all times, you know where we are if you're in need of any help. Please continue using the helpline on the school website. Stay safe, everybody. Mr. Quiney.